I'm Valerie and I want to begin with a question. Have you ever wondered why certain people instantly capture our heart while others never do? Take a breath, relax for a moment, and let us explore this together with curiosity and honesty. Think of this as a real conversation between two humans, not theory, not instruction, but a genuine reflection on something that has touched all of us: love. Romantic love. Emotional love. The kind of love that strikes unexpectedly and reshapes our inner world. Falling in love has a kind of magic, unpredictable, intense, and deeply transformative. Sometimes it hits instantly, like lightning, sudden, bright, electrifying, and sometimes it grows slowly, softly, like a sunrise gradually illuminating a new emotional horizon. No matter how it begins, when love enters, it changes you. Your heartbeat shifts, your breathing adjusts, your focus narrows onto one person among billions. It's as if your inner compass quietly turns and whispers, "It's them." But why them and not someone else? Some might say it is biological, that we are wired for connection, and yes, that is part of it. But the truth reaches deeper. Love is more than chemistry. It is psychology, emotional resonance, memory, instinct, and something indefinable, something we often call soul. Sometimes love begins with curiosity. Who are they really? Sometimes with admiration. There's something special about them. Sometimes with comfort. I feel safe with this person. Sometimes with excitement. Being around them makes me feel alive again. And sometimes, let us be honest, it begins with pure magnetism. A spark. A pull. A gravitational attraction that bypasses logic. Love often begins quietly the moment you start paying attention to someone. Their laugh, their eyes, their energy, their voice, their mind, their way of being. Something in them makes your attention lean forward. Yes, the brain is involved, dopamine rewarding focus, oxytocin fostering closeness, adrenaline amplifying excitement, but science alone cannot explain why this person. Have you ever smiled at your phone just because you saw their name? That tiny moment is love blooming inside you. But here's the fascinating truth. Love isn't rational, it's emotional selection. You can meet someone who seems perfect on paper, intelligent, attractive, thoughtful, and feel nothing. And then meet someone unexpected and suddenly your heart is in motion. Because love follows emotional truth, not logic. Sometimes we fall in love because something in them mirrors something in us, a longing, a wound, a hope. Other times, we fall in love because they awaken something new in us, a freer, more expressive, more radiant version of ourselves. Love often feels like recognition, not of the mind, but of the inner self. Maybe you've felt it, that uncanny familiarity. I feel like I've known you for a long time. Or that inexplicable trust. I don't know why, but I feel safe with you. Or that vulnerability. I can open up to you in a way I don't with others. Love is more than connection, it is fascination. We become captivated by someone's existence. Their stories. Their contradictions. Their fears. Their dreams. Even their flaws. Especially their flaws. Because imperfection is human and love seeks authenticity, not perfection. And let us not forget humor. Laughter binds people. A shared joke creates intimacy. A playful moment builds chemistry. Sometimes love begins with "You make me laugh," and grows into "I love how I feel when I'm with you." If any of this resonates with your own experiences, memories, or emotions, and if you ever want to speak to me directly, you'll find a link in the description to reach me personally. You do not have to navigate your emotional journey alone. Love isn't only about who the other person is, but who we become in their presence. Their attention makes you feel seen. Their affection makes you feel valued. Their presence awakens your sense of worth. Sometimes love heals old emotional bruises. Sometimes it reveals them. Relationships can uncover memories, insecurities, attachment patterns, but they also teach resilience, tenderness, and emotional growth. Love can feel like finding a home, or like discovering a new world, or both. And timing is mysterious. Sometimes the right person arrives too early, sometimes too late, sometimes exactly when the heart is ready. Even when circumstances align, love can still be intense, vulnerable, unpredictable, and beautiful. Then comes the initial stage, the infatuation phase. When your mind circles around them constantly. When ordinary moments begin to feel infused with anticipation. When the world seems colored by their presence. Psychologically, love often connects to our personal emotional history. If you longed for attention, you may fall for someone who notices everything about you. If you value stability, you may fall for someone dependable. If you crave excitement, you may be drawn to someone bold. If validation matters to you, you may fall for someone who sees your worth. If intellectual stimulation excites you, you'll fall for someone whose mind fascinates you. Here's something beautiful: love awakens generosity. You naturally begin to care for them. Think of their needs. Their happiness becomes connected to your own. The internal language shifts from I to we. Love changes the architecture of the heart. And remember, love is not weakness. Love is courage. Vulnerability is courage. To love is to risk loss, and yet we do it willingly, because love enhances life. Now let us talk about heartbreak. Why does heartbreak hurt so deeply? Because when we fall in love, we don't just connect with the person, we connect with the future we imagined with them. When that imagined future dissolves, it feels like losing a part of ourselves. But heartbreak teaches. It sharpens emotional clarity. It deepens self-awareness. After heartbreak, we don't love less, we love with more wisdom. Now let us go back to the joy, the spark, the soft glow of emotional aliveness. That moment when everything seems possible. That universal experience. Because love is universal across cultures, ages, backgrounds, and identities. It is one of humanity's shared emotional languages. Love takes many forms: gentle, fiery, steady, chaotic, but always transformative. And here's a key truth. Falling in love doesn't just connect us to another person, it reconnects us to ourselves. It reveals our capacity for joy, tenderness, hope, and emotional vulnerability. Stay with me, because now we step deeper, beyond the spark, into the long-term evolution of love. How affection turns into partnership. How closeness becomes trust. How attraction becomes intimacy. At first, love is excitement. Later, love is confidence, the quiet comfort of knowing the other person. Falling in love captures your attention. Being in love nurtures your well-being. Staying in love strengthens your emotional foundation. Real love becomes teamwork, two hearts aligned rather than colliding. One essential component of lasting love is emotional safety. When love feels safe, vulnerability becomes natural. You can say, "I'm struggling today. I need reassurance. I'm feeling insecure. I'm worried. I need a hug." And instead of judgment, you receive support. That is intimacy, emotional intimacy. More meaningful than passion alone. Communication is the oxygen of love. Not just talking, honest talking. And not just listening, empathetic listening. Hearing the emotion behind the words. Understanding the unspoken. A strong relationship is not two perfect people, but two people willing to repair, to communicate, to understand, to soften. Compatibility is not sameness, it is harmony between differences. Love is a dance, adaptive, fluid, evolving. Love thrives on appreciation. People flourish when they feel valued. Appreciation keeps love vibrant. Thank you. I admire you. I'm proud of you. These phrases nourish emotional closeness. Now let us talk about conflicts, something many fear. Even in beautiful relationships, conflict happens. But love is not measured by the absence of disagreement, but by how it is resolved. When both people treat the problem as something between them, rather than something wrong with the other, love deepens. Admiration is a deep anchor of love, deeper and more lasting than physical attraction. Beauty changes. Bodies age. But admiration for someone's inner qualities can grow stronger over time. Love begins with emotion but continues through choice. Choosing the other person through routine and seasons and challenges. Healthy love gives space, not confinement. Two individuals remain autonomous, independent, whole. You are a meaningful part of my life but not the entirety of my life. Forgiveness matters. Not to erase mistakes but to rebuild trust. And love must include joy, laughter, play, shared silliness, lightness. Sometimes deep midnight conversations and sometimes laughter over something ridiculous. Playfulness keeps love fresh. Consistency is a foundation of love. Not grand declarations but reliable actions. Love shows up. Love remembers. Love follows through. Love meets emotional needs in small ways, continuously forming invisible threads between hearts. At its core, love is connection, and humans are wired for connection. Loneliness can be heavy, but love dissolves that loneliness in a way nothing else does. Love 1T fix everything, it 1T solve every problem, but it enriches life. It gives warmth to existence. If you ever feel lost in your heart, uncertain, confused, overwhelmed, remember, you can always speak with me personally. There's a link in the description if you need someone to talk to. Love transforms us. Falling in love changes us. Being in love reveals us. Losing love teaches us. Every story of love, short or long, leaves fingerprints on the heart. Some loves are lessons. Some loves are turning points. Some loves are anchors. Some loves are destinies. And one day you may find a love that feels calm and strong, a love that doesn't drain you, but supports you. A love that doesn't shrink you, but expands you. That kind of love exists. You don't have to chase it. You don't have to force it. You don't have to beg for it. Love finds you when you are aligned with yourself. Real love flows naturally when emotional readiness meets connection, or when life decides it's time, or when someone unexpected enters your story and everything changes. Falling in love is magical. Staying in love is meaningful. Growing in love is transformative. If this touched you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who also wonders about love. Thank you for being here with me, for sharing this emotional journey. I'm Valerie, and if you ever want to talk personally about your experience with love, there's a link in the description to reach me directly. Thank you so much. Take care of your heart, and see you soon.